Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by powering the camera and confirming its status LED blinks. That indicates pairing mode. Open the Xmeye app and sign in. Use the same account you'll use to manage the device. Once done, make sure you have the camera's QR code, Cloud ID, or admin password ready. You'll need one of these to link the device. Don't waste time on general settings now. Jump straight to the Add Device action in the Apps Devices tab to begin. You'll now add the device. Tap Add Device and select QR Scan, Cloud ID, or Manual Input. If you pick QR, point your phone camera at the code. If Cloud ID, paste the number and admin password. For Wi-Fi cameras, enter the router SSID and password exactly and prefer 4 GHz networks because many devices don't support 5 GHz. Once done, monitor the camera's LED and the app's progress indicator. If it stalls, once the device appears in Devices, name it clearly and set a secure admin password. This protects remote access. You should then open Live View to confirm video stream and adjust motion detection sensitivity and recording schedule for reliable alerts. Make sure firmware is updated if available. If something goes wrong, first reboot the camera and router, then verify SSID/password, switch to a wired connection, or enable UPnP/port forwarding on the router.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.